Imagine a student sitting at their desk, focused on their laptop. On the screen, Notion AI glows with vibrant colors, offering a sleek interface. The room is bright, filled with a sense of productivity. Educational icons like notes and light bulbs float around as symbols of creativity and learning. The student interacts with the Notion AI, typing ideas and organizing thoughts effortlessly. The interface showcases various features designed to boost academic performance, making studying a breeze. As the student navigates through the program, the background shifts slightly to reveal more academic tools like books and stationery, emphasizing a supportive learning environment. A close-up shot of the Notion AI interface highlights its user-friendly design, drawing the viewer in with its clean lines and modern appeal. The scene transitions to the students smiling in satisfaction as they see their project coming together, thanks to the guidance of Notion AI. Cut to a quick montage of the student using different features, creating to-do lists, setting reminders for assignments, and brainstorming with AI suggestions. The camera pans to display the educational icons again, reinforcing the theme of learning and innovation as they surround the student like a luminous halo. A dynamic split screen shows other students using Notion AI, each benefiting uniquely as they tackle different subjects. Switching back to the original student, a light bulb icon pops up above their head, visually representing a moment of inspiration and clarity. The student shares tips on maximizing Notion AI, speaking to the camera confidently, creating a connection with the audience. The background music swells as the student concludes their insights, inviting others to explore the potential of Notion AI in their studies. A final shot returns to the Notion AI interface, now filled with notes and colorful annotations, radiating the excitement of a successful project. The screen fades out, leaving behind the bold text. Notion AI for students along with a playful YouTube play button, urging viewers to dive deeper into the world of innovative learning. And with a subtle reminder that tools like Notion AI can transform the academic experience, making learning more engaging and effective.